how to set phone call vibration to silent on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on here click on Phone App. After click on Phone App, click on this three dot icon and click on Settings icon. Now in Call Settings, scroll down, and click on Call Alerts and Ringtone. After click on Call Alerts and Ringtone, click on Ringtone. After click on Ringtone, you will see if you want to set phone call vibration to silent. So you will see if you want to set phone call vibration, so turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see vibrate while ringing is set. If you want to set silent, click on silent. So you will select silent and vibrate ringing from here. After selecting, go back to home screen. So that's how you can set phone call vibration to silent on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.